What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is just going to be a little in-depth walk around of everything that I've got done to the car. I had new Neogen tires. They're 205/50 15s in the front and some Hankook cheap 195/50 15s in the rear. I got some Rhoda slips, or whatever they're called. Rhoda something wheels. I painted the brake calipers red. Carbon fiber antenna delete. It is tinted, but the tint, whoever did it, didn't do a good job. As you can see. Have a carbon fiber wing. It does have a little bit of rust, just in the typical places. The door's a little bit rusted out at the bottom, but I just got to get a new door. I got this little sun visor strip. It's not like see-through or anything, it's just like a decal pretty much. But it still does its job. Looks good. I got a new little grill here. I had to take out the back piece. It was like honeycomb style, but it wouldn't work. So I just did that. I cut the holes out here for the front bumper, mainly just to get rid of the license plate like bracket thing. So I definitely had to cut it to fit this big intercooler in here, as you can see. Move on to the interior. I'm pretty sure these are like Integra seats or CRV seats, something like that. Interior stripped out. I got the battery running to the back, and I need a battery box, but I got ratchet straps right now. I'm just holding it down, just in case. I got an AEM AFR gauge, a glow shift boost gauge, and a glow shift oil pressure gauge. The oil pressure gauge isn't hooked up because I need to make like another port or somewhere to put it. So I'm using all of my little adapters and stuff. But the boost gauge works good. The AFR gauge, it works good, but it's just, I'll have to show you guys. My AFR gauge is like an inch before, not even an inch before the exit of the exhaust, so air gets in it and throws off the reading. So it's not really too accurate, but it's on the dot from the dyno. So I'm not really too worried about it. I'll get it replaced and stuff once I make a hood exit. Yeah, I took out the radio and speakers, pretty much everything. No carpet, just center console, the seats and door panels and stuff. That's all that's left. It does have a SI dash with only 74,000 miles. I have no clue how many miles are on the actual build. Little NRG quick release and steering wheel. This came out of the Mustang. It does have a, I forget what the name of the shifter, but it's one of those like reverse lockout ones. But it's pretty nice. The clutch is like an ACT or something. A cheaper 6-puck clutch. I need to make a little bracket or mount this somewhere. I just got it chilling on the floor right now. ECU, it does have Honda. It is the old Honda V1, I believe, but still works like a charm. I got my little dash lights. It doesn't have dash lights, so I got these little blue things, blue lights that are wired. It's just a little push button. These I ran to the switch. And my radiator fan. So on that switch. But yep, that's pretty much it for the interior. This is just a little GoPro mount. But, yeah. Show you guys under the hood now. Alright, so starting off, we got this big gritty front mount and cooler. We got these ram horns that kind of leak. I need to get another new set. This one I've had to get welded and stuff over and over. Little cracks and everything, but it is a B20B with a GSR head. Only thing done to it internally is ARP head studs and a Cometic gasket or whatever it's called, the good head gaskets. Other than that, it's pretty much stock internally. I got a Elbrock Victor X intake manifold, Kyostar fuel rail, grams fuel gauge, fuel pressure gauge, AEM fuel pressure regulator, 3-bar map sensor. This is 3-inch intercooler piping on this side, and then on the other side it's 2.5. But this is a tile blow-off valve. I think it's the tile Q. I'm not too sure though. But it is a pretty big blow-off valve. Sounds pretty good. This is a GSR transmission. Got a little, my fuse block going to the battery in the back and stuff, and all the power. A little catch can, well, big catch can, but it does its job, I guess. I got these, I don't know how to say it, Osiris or whatever. I got these 2 mounts on the front and back, and then I got a 1320 mount on this side. Just I believe it's an off-brand tile wastegate, or like a knockoff one, and a CX Racing turbo. I believe it's like a 57 or 63 millimeter, but don't quote me because the serial numbers and stuff are all shaved off, so I can't really tell unless I measure it. But I got RC 750cc injectors, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Some VMS plug wires, little cover. It's a little like plastic, but it looks like carbon fiber. It was pretty cheap, so better than nothing, I guess. But yep, that's pretty much it. It made 327 wheel at 7 psi on 93 octane, and I made 250 torque, so not too shabby. Definitely pretty good for 7 pounds. But yep, that's pretty much it. I might be forgetting something, I don't know, but pretty sure I got everything. There's not much to it. a little fun street car. But yeah, I'm probably gonna make some POV driving videos here, and then whatever else I can find. I'm gonna take it to the car wash. It's about the only day I'm gonna get it out. I mean, there's still salt on the roads, and I'm not trying to make this thing rust out like the old EG. So I'm just gonna drive it today so I can make some videos, and then wash it, and then park it. Wait for some springtime weather. But